Now, class on integral calculus for solve linear differential equation, and this may be this form or dx by dy plus p into x equal to q. It is another form. It is another. Now, the problem for the class problem 1, it is given 1 plus x square into dy equal to 2x y dx, 2xy into dx equal to cot x dx. It is the equation is to be solved and mentioned here x not equal to 0. Now, first we want to get in this form. So, first is this equal to 1 plus x square dy upon dx equal to 2xy cot x. Thereafter, this is equal to dy dx, and it is to be, if it is divided by this, we will get 2xy by 1 plus x square equal to cot x by 1 plus x square. Now you are getting this form. Here p equal to, here p, it is p equal to 2x by 1 plus x square, and q equal to cot x upon 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square equal to cot x. Now, the integrating factor if equal to e p dx, and it is equal to e 2x upon 1 plus x square equal dx equal to dx. It is in the form integral f dash x upon fx into dx. So we can write e to the power log 1 plus x square. That e to the power log means, that is e to the power log x means x, e to the power 1 plus x square equal to 1 plus x square. It is the integrating factor for the problem. Now, the solution of the differential equation. Now, the solution of the differential equation, the rule is what, that is equal to what is the rule for y into integrating factor, this, that is integration, then q into integrating factor, q into integrating factor into dx plus c. Now we know here integrating factor is, what is integrating factor? Integrating factor equal to y into 1 plus x square. Integrating factor y into 1 plus x square. Now integration, what is q? Q equal to cot x upon 1 plus x square. What is integrating factor? 1 plus x square, that is equal to dx plus c. So this is equal to cot x dx plus c. So what is cot x? Equal to integration of cot x dx equal to log, log integration of log sin x, log sin x. So we are writing here this equal to log, that is log sin x plus c, that is therefore y 1x square equal to log modulus sin x plus c is the solution for the given linear differential equation. Going to solve another linear differential equation which is in this form. Also I have to do also this pattern also. First I am going through this pattern. So this problem is solve the differential equation for problem number 2 which is given. Problem number 2 which is given. What is this problem number? Problem number is problem number x log x, problem 2 for the class, x log x dyy plus dyy, sorry, x log x dyy dx equal to dy by dx equal to y plus y equal to 2 by x log x. It is the equation we have to solve now. So first of all we should convert this in this form. We should convert into this form. That is, the given equation can be written as, could be to be written in this form. So get this form, we should dy upon dx, plus y x log x plus equal to 2 by x into log x upon x log x, log x. So what we are getting? We are getting that is equal to dy upon dx plus 1 by x log x into y and log x equal to 2 by x square we have got. We have got 2 by x square. It is in the form of this one, dy dx, then y, then xy, that is p, करना here. What is P?